It's a big challenge in industry to create fast and affordable 3D maps. Traditional methods are either very slow or very complex and expensive processes. Our solution is the combination of a commercial LiDAR sensor and our proprietary artificial intelligence unit, which is able to analyze and process all the data to create these 3D maps in real time and extract information our customers are looking for. We spent the last 3 years doing the research and development of our sensors, both hardware and software products, and now we are ready to go to develop the commercial side of the company. So we needed to find the best partners in industry that can help us to achieve all our goals.
This is our first joint investment in a company together, LRM with LIOF, where we are investing in aerial precision, a very promising drone company, creating a lot of innovation in the industry. Both LRM as LIOF want to create ecosystems across their sides of the border, and here we have a unique opportunity of immediately connecting those ecosystems and create a lot of innovation for our regions.
With LIOF, we did this investment through our Limburg Startup Capital Fund, where you believe in a unique value proposition that aerial precision had, the combination of hardware and software that can be applied to a wide variety of growing markets. We believe in the team, which is very skilled and very committed, and it also fits our digitization transition in terms of smart industry and in terms of future farming.
Aerial precision fits very well in LRM's ambitions, since the company offers innovative solutions that can be used in combination with drones. LRM strongly believes that the drone industry has a huge growth potential with a large variety of applications. Aerial precision's products and its possibilities definitely illustrate this.
So in 5 years from now, we expect to become the main provider in the industry when it comes to analyzing and inspecting assets using 3D spatial data, with customers all established all around Europe and in the US.